Hey everybody, welcome to Timeless Food Art. I just did a Dutch pour and it went under time lapse, so I'll squeeze that into this particular video. But oh man, I was like, God darn it, I can't believe it. It came out absolutely gorgeous, so I'm going to do another one for you because it came out beautiful and I am like so pleased. It's with my own recipe. And it's instant cells, and if you go back and watch any of my videos, you see everything I do with my recipe is instant cells. Now, if I could only open up this glove to get it on, it'd be a different story. All right, I'm using a 10 by 10 wood, and it only takes a second, so to have it on speed, I can't believe it just did that. I'm really kind of ticked. But what do you do, you know? Just got to go with the flow. Alrighty. Let's see. This fell. Oh, my egg. My crate that I had eggs. I made eggs with my recipe for Easter. Alright, can you see that, guys? Yes, you can. Yay. Alrighty, once again, which you'll see the fast up version, which is really just ticking me off, but it's okay. All right, let me put this in. Can't believe that. That's like really just ticks me off. I was like, God darn it. I double checked to make sure it was recording, like I'm gonna do right now. Yeah. And I saw it was a time lapse. And I'm like, I don't know how it got in time lapse. I never used time lapse, so I don't have a clue what the heck happened. Okay. Let me wipe my hand here. Okay. First thing first, I'm going to do exactly like the other one because I absolutely love the colors. This is Light Permanent Blue by Liquitex Basics. And then, I didn't put gold. Oh, wow, I'll have to do gold. This one is, and I forgot again. Forgot what color it is. It is Brilliant Blue. And then this one here is Cobalt Blue. All Liquitex Basics. Then my Phthalo Green, which I absolutely love. My mixture causes cells galore. And since I didn't put gold, I'm going to put gold today, right now. Alrighty. And then I use black and white accelerator. Not activator. Mine is not an activator. Mine is accelerator because it accelerates the cells. It's immediate cells. And it's a ton of cells. So let's see what happens when I blow this one. I'll get my hair dryer. And you don't have to put another, cover or anything. That one's not turning out as good. So let me put a little more paint. And do it again. Would figure the one I had perfect. It just bugs me. All right, let me just do this again. Add some more paint. And, okay. And the gold this time. All right. And now, black again. And the white. All right, let me get my dryer again. Now that's what I'm talking about. of my recipe, I could do this, so I'm kind of really thrilled. Let me blow some of this off here. And the corner here, this corner. Look at the cells. Look at my gold popping up now. Love it. Alrighty. Okay, I've got 2 done. Now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna put this to dry because I'm running out of room to dry. But this is gorgeous. All right, let me take you down and I'll show you the 2 I did. Let me take my gloves off. Okie dokie. Did. See the gold showing through? Perfect. And the cells galore. This recipe is instant cells every time. If you really are a person that wants to do cells, my recipe is the best. However, I have yet to really get down to the exact amounts of everything. Like that, straighten out a little bit more like there. And here's the other one I did, which you'll see on the video where it was sped up. This one I liked better, was like more, like really, very like silky like, you know? But even in the white, you have the cells. You have a ton of cells. Look at that. So, all right. Take it easy. Everybody stay safe. Stay home. Do not touch your face. Wash your hands. And I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.